Alright, today we're doing a video of a 2006 Okuma Captain L470, serial number 122981. Machine has an OSP P200L control with IGF. It's a 12-inch chuck, 12-position turret, tailstock, chip conveyor. Spindle's currently running at 500 RPM. Stop it. Switch over to the other winding. That's 1,000 RPM. That's 2,000 RPM. Machine runs very, very well. Jog the axes. Z, very smooth. And you have your X. And also very quiet, smooth. Index to turret. Tailstock. That's basically it. Thank you for watching a video on the Okuma Captain.